Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie top easy method. Roll your dough to a uniform thickness and keep it chilled between steps. Trim edges evenly and reserve scraps for decoration. Use light hands when crimping so the crust stays flaky. Brush the top with egg wash for color and cut vents to release steam. Bake until golden and let cool slightly before slicing for clean pieces. Gather tools and lay out a clean workspace before starting your pie top. Keep ingredients cold and use a lightly floured surface to prevent sticking without adding excess flour. Roll the dough to a consistent thickness so decorations bake evenly. Use cutters or a knife to create vents and patterns, then transfer shapes carefully to the pie using a spatula. Chill the finished pie briefly before baking for best shape retention. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more baking tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you roll dough or decorate pie tops, and it fits in most counters and bags. It's a handy companion for long baking sessions and cleanups. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a design that matches your comfort level and the filling's moisture. A lattice gives a rustic look and helps steam escape, while cutouts create decorative vents with minimal effort. For neat edges, braid thin strips or use fork tines for a pressed pattern. Keep extra pieces chilled and arrange them evenly to avoid sagging. Finish with an egg wash for shine and a sprinkle of sugar for subtle crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.